Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make this little monkey mailbox candy bouquet. So let's get to it. What I purchased at the Dollar Tree was this tin can, super cute little gnomes. They have this little mailbox, opens up, a candle holder, this little stuffed monkey, some little chocolates, dollars. So let's get creating. So take the top off and you want to place the tin in there like so. Grab your candle holder. You're going to put it on the corner edge. So we're going to put some glue on it. Get that beat drop. Okay, so here's my finished product. I hope you like my little monkey mailbox with the candy that's dropping. I tried to glue them on so the hearts come out like they're spilling, and added some extra candy. So I hope you guys like it. Please tell me what you think in the comments. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Have a great night.